Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to TMT. Got a couple new install techs here, and they are going to pump down this unit, this split system. Let's see what they're gonna do here. We'll let them do their thing. No pressure though, right? No pressure, but the crane's gonna be here in about 5 minutes. Right, yep. That's good. There you go. All right. There we go. There we go. And I think I did this last time actually with you, right? Francisco?
I believe so.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know if I uploaded that one to the channel.
I don't think so. I mean, I know we put the Freon back in the condenser, but
Yeah.
okay.
All right. So to pump down the system, right, when it's in cooling mode, whether it's an air conditioner or a heat pump, the liquid line is shooting down that 3/8 line. So yeah, so we want to shut down. Yeah, that is the one you're going to close though. So you're going to close that one down, and by closing that one, no more can leave the condenser. So because the suction line is still suctioning, it's going to pull out everything out of that coil that's downstairs and force it into the condenser. When it gets low enough, then you also shut the suction line, which is this bigger 3/4 line right there. So let's watch you do that. And watch your hands with electrical stuff, okay? Sometimes it'll be a chewed up wire, and it'll be naked, it'll be bare, and you'll touch it and you'll be like, ah, ha ha. There you go, big cheddar. Nice. Now he's got those on. He doesn't have them color coded, I guess, but you know, it's not a big deal. It kind of should have been. Yeah, no, yeah, they are color coded. What's up? Well, I mean, whose gauges are those? Man, those things are beat up. Yeah, you guys gotta get some new gauges.
These are mine.
All right, well, go ahead and shut the liquid line. They're probably just some throwaway gauges eventually. No, you want to keep that closed. Yeah.
So we keep it all closed.
Your gauges are closed.
Close the key valve, and then as soon as you hear that compressor starting to make a weird sound, that compressor.
I mean, the suction is reading. So you'll see that go down to 0. But I mean, for people who are watching the channel, try to use better gauges. But it's okay. I mean, these are probably loaner gauges because they're new guys. And they're on there. So if you watch the gauges, you see that? Going down. It's almost to 0. Go ahead and pull the power at 0, Brian. Without getting electrocuted. Yeah, you hear it. It's going down to 0. It'll even go into a vacuum pretty soon. Yeah. Alright, you can actually plug it back in because because he didn't have it closed, it's going right back in. Don't close it just yet, okay? Hold on. Not 100% because it took you a little bit longer. This thing went right back in, but hang on. Let it get down to 0. Alright, now go ahead and close it 100%. And when he does close it 100%, then you pull the power on it. Jeez Louise, man. It's like watching water boil. Almost. Come on. Alright, pull the power, Brian. Okay. So now they got it shut. And now they can start to cut the lines, cut the power. And yeah, that's pretty much how you pump it down. So now you guys can cut those lines on there. Right. So now he's cutting. He cut the liquid line off already.
Suction line in there.
Now suction line is next.
Ah, shit. Hold on.
It's all good. It's all good. We all know you're new, bro. Don't worry.
Little green behind the ears.
I remember when I started a whopping 10 years ago. All right, yeah, that's pretty much the next step. Brian, go down to the power box, or if you want to, just undo it from here. But we need to disconnect the high voltage from the unit and the low voltage, because it needs to come out.
Gotcha.
So we can pull this bad boy out of here.
You want to go down there, pull it from the breaker box?
Yeah, you could do that. That's fine.
All right.
If you want to do that, and then just call us up,
Okay, cool.
and then Francisco can disconnect it or whatever.
Hey, you want to bring up waters or something?
Yeah. Only trash companies, man.
I want that thing out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Only trash companies braise with acetylene only, bro. Mm-hmm. That's so funny. This man said, why do you have 2 tanks? All you need is acetylene.
It's true, bro. Hell no. Watch. If I was here alone, I would have done that. Would have wiped it out.
Dang, dude. Heck no. No, I'm just kidding. So, guys, in the channel, I used acetylene for a while too. It just depends on the company. But no, yeah, it just depends on the company. If you work at a company that they only want you to use acetylene only turbo torches, then that's what you use. But
yeah, if I had that turbo torch.
if I had to choose, bro, I would say that oxyacetylene.
Really? Why
Yeah.
though?
Because it's way faster, it's way hotter. I think that's mainly the reason why. Faster and hotter.
But acetylene gets the job done too, though, bro.
No, yeah, there's no, obviously.
Turbo
I did it
torch.
for like 3 years at that company that they wanted to do that. I was like, okay, fine. But hey, in the channel, who else? What do you guys braise with? You guys do turbo torch with acetylene only, or are you a real tech and actually use?
Bro.
You actually use oxyacetylene? All right, so there it is. I might have skipped a little bit of a step, which was, you know, disconnecting the high voltage and the low voltage after you turn the breaker off. But, you know, I think we can cover that in another video, and that's okay. We'll do it bits at a time. Sometimes I'm short or in a hurry, sorry, and we got to get this done. But, yep, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.